To have a good understanding of our own national laws, for example, as lawyers that are practicing in Nigeria, to have a very good understanding why certain provisions are made under our Nigerian law, you must have basic understanding of provisions made under international law. Now, our own Nigerian laws do not allow torture, inhumane treatment. If you look at the Administration of Criminal Justice law, you will find that. So if you also look at the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, you will also find it there. You look at the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, you will find it there. On the protocol, you will find it there. So these are bases on which we have our own Nigerian laws that frown against torture, slavery, servitude, inhumane treatment. But when you look at under the Criminal Code, which is one of the laws that regulates offenses, punishment in Nigeria, you will find that there can be a pronouncement of court with respect to imprisonment with hard labor, even though all these other international legal instruments have said that there's no torture, there should not be any cruel treatment, okay? But imprisonment with hard labor is what allowed under international law. That is why you can also see that provided for under the Criminal Code. And nobody should ever be subjected to any form of experiment, whether scientific or medical, without first seeking the person's consent, telling the person that this is what we want to do. We want to try out this product on you to see how it will react, or to see how humans will react to it, or we want to put you in a particular environment to see how it is going to affect you as a human being. So nobody has the right, whether medically or scientifically, to subject you as a person to any experimentation without first seeking and obtaining your consent in full, not a partial consent. Okay, so it's not just enough that the person sought your consent. That consent must be obtained by such a person before you can go through that process. Now, in our own society, there are a lot of people who are into producing or manufacturing a lot of things. Like we hear about skincare products, we hear about makeups, we hear about foods, processing foods that they are now bringing to the public for sale. Now, sometimes a lot of people go into doing adverts for those people. Okay, they want to test it on your skin to see how. Did they actually have your consent? Or somebody can trick you into a situation where the person administers that thing on you without first letting you know that, look, this is what I want to do with you, or this is what I want to carry out on you. That is against the law. This is Xavier Law Essence, where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.